Have you ever felt like you're running on a hamster wheel? Busy, but not really going anywhere? What if I told you the secret to escaping this cycle and skyrocketing your productivity begins before the rest of the world even wakes up? Morning routines aren't just for CEOs and Olympians. They're for anyone like you who wants to make smarter decisions, build confidence, and design a wealthy lifestyle. And it starts with a simple, beginner-friendly exercise routine. But here's the catch. If you wait too long to take control of your mornings, you'll stay stuck in the same rut. So, let's jump in and change your trajectory. Stick with me until the end, and I'll share the single most underrated habit that multiplies your efforts beyond just fitness. 1. Stretching. Wake your body, wake your mind. Before you touch your phone or think about emails, spend 5 minutes stretching. A simple toe touch, cat-cow pose, or shoulder rolls will do. Think of it as hitting the on button for your body. You might be thinking, stretching? That's not really exercise. But here's the thing. If you skip this step, your body's potential remains locked away, like a phone stuck on airplane mode. Do you want to be productive or sluggish? Pattern interrupt, humor. Plus, stretching first thing means you won't embarrass yourself by pulling a muscle tying your shoes. Admit it, we've all been there. 2. A 5-minute cardio boost. Get your heart pumping. Next, energize yourself with 5 minutes of light cardio. It could be jogging in place, jumping jacks, or even dancing to your favorite playlist. Excitement. Cardio doesn't just get your blood flowing. It triggers your brain to release feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. Imagine starting your day with the same energy as a kid running to open presents on Christmas morning. Still not convinced? Let me ask you this. When was the last time you felt unstoppable at 8 a.m.? Let's make today the first day of many. 3. Beginner strength training. Build a foundation. It's time to activate your muscles. Do 10 push-ups, 15 squats, and 20-second planks. Too hard? Start where you are, even if that's one push-up. Progress is the only goal. Why is this step so critical? Because the strongest, wealthiest people didn't build their empires by skipping the basics. They started small and stayed consistent, and so can you. 4. Cool down and mindfulness. Reflect and reset. After the physical work, spend 5 minutes cooling down with deep breathing or light yoga. Pair this with gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. This step isn't just about your body. It's about setting the mental tone for the day. Your actions start here, and so does your focus. Urgency. Skip this, and you risk letting distractions dictate your day instead of your goals. Are you really going to let your phone notifications win? By now, you're not just awake, you're alive. These 15 minutes are an investment in your future self, compounding over time into greater productivity, focus, and yes, success. But here's the game changer. Consistency beats intensity. Even if you're a beginner, sticking to this routine will set you apart from 90% of people still hitting snooze. Speaking of compounding, there's one more habit that ties it all together.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.